To see the importance of having good communication in the engineering profession, we have followed for many years Raymond and Cheryl, both engineers throughout their career. Raymond studied at the University of Waterloo and was able to take a communication class during his curriculum. That allowed him to develop his writing and communication skill pretty well. Cheryl, on the other hand, studied at another university and didn't have the same chance.
Classical mechanics, circuit analysis, but not communications because that one doesn't matter.
After graduation, both students with equal skills walk into the interview room to get interviewed for the same position.
Here at Apple, we innovate. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's nice to meet you. My name is Eric.
Nice to meet you, Eric. My name is Raymond.
So let me tell you a bit about Apple.
All right.
Here at Apple, we innovate.
That's very impressive.
Moving on. First, let me know a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, sure. My name is Eric, and I'm a recent graduate from the University of Waterloo. I study electrical engineering, and my main priority of focus is chip design and also systems design. Recently, I've just came out from an internship from Facebook, and before that, I was in 2 co-ops in Ford and also in X. I mainly have experience with helping teams work in high-stress environments, and this is shown through my experience as a product manager at Facebook.
Very nice. That sounds like a great mix of skills. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. My name is Eric.
Nice to meet you. My name is Cheryl.
Let me tell you a little bit about Apple. Here at Apple, we innovate.
Okay.
So let's start this interview. Could you first tell me a little bit about yourself?
I have great technical skills. I'm impressed.
Tell me about a challenge you faced in the workplace and how you overcame it.
Ooh, good question. Sure. Around 3 months ago, our company, specifically our department, was facing severe lack of resources. And the reason is because the increase of cost due to one of our partnering suppliers cutting their supplies and breaking our agreement. So, to deal with this, my team and I came up with a new innovative way to use existing technology in order to decrease the cost and efficiently use our material. So in this case, we didn't need any new materials. Instead, we just find a way to efficiently utilize it in the way that we're able to maximize our output and increase it by 33%.
Very interesting. Raymond was an outstanding candidate for this job at Apple. We were looking for someone with great technical skills and ability to work well in a team, and he fit both of these qualities perfectly. Additionally, he also had very good communication skills, and I was surprised by his good ability to communicate well throughout the interview and explain his thought process for all the problems and questions that I asked him. I trust that he will be able to support and grow the company culture. Raymond, you're hired.
Okay, here. I am the graduate of a top engineering university, very prestigious. First of all, I have great academic performance, I have great work experience, and practical skills, of course. I'm in the top 1% in terms of grades in my courses like linear algebra, calculus physics, calculus and vectors, classical mechanics, circuit analysis, but not communications because that one doesn't matter. And I have made this amazing project that monitors the study spaces in my university and gives students feedback on how, where are the vacant study rooms. This system uses the technology of Wi-Fi 9 and Bluetooth 10 to achieve the best wireless results. It also uses the principle of quantum superposition to give you the very accurate study room capacity at any time of day to the 10th decimal point of precision. Along with that, I have more amazing projects waiting to be discovered in my resume portfolio. As you can see, I'm a genius and you should clearly hire me.
That sounds very impressive. Thank you. Cheryl lacked the good communication skills that Raymond showed in his interview. I believe that Cheryl may not work well in a team because he answered the interview questions hastily and without much confidence or structure. However, we do really need someone with good technical skills, and Cheryl is extremely intelligent and skilled. So in this case, I believe a trade-off can be made. Cheryl, you are also hired.
Raymond's job interview went really well. He displayed his communication skill beautifully and was really liked by the interviewer. This resulted to him getting this job. Cheryl's interview went not as great as he envisioned it. He was really cocky and was saying incomprehensive things during the interview. Even though the interviewer did not like Cheryl, he still got the job because they really need somebody.
Raymond! Oh, I'm so stressed right now.
What's wrong?
I have this presentation in 15 minutes for presenting this new iPhone 18 to our major stakeholders, and I don't know anything about the technical aspects of this phone.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh my gosh.
I understand. 15 minutes might seem like a very short amount of time, but it's good because you come to the right person. Since my team and I actually designed the central components of this phone, so if you need help, I can help you with going over the technical components or be on a stage with you for the presentation.
But we need to do this now. It's in 15 minutes.
Yeah, you're right. This is probably more important than debugging this code. Let's go. Let's go practice right now.
Oh, thank you. Thank
problem.
you, Raymond. Cheryl, I need your help right now. I have an urgent meeting that is in 15 minutes to present the technical aspects of this iPhone 18. And I don't understand.
Just say this. Here at Apple, we innovate. Not only did we went from 3 cameras to 1, but we also added in the innovative home button that has a secret feature. All you need to do is to flip the phone around pi over 5.8 radians in a positive direction, then monitor the temporal resolution required for the radial trajectory of the logarithmic machine learning trapezoidal prism to execute 4 complete rotations about the imaginary axis in its S-plane. Did you get it?
But I don't understand though. I don't have that technical knowledge. I need you to do the presentation.
What, I do the presentation?
Yes.
No, I am not doing the presentation. I am not doing the presentation.
I'm your boss, so I tell you what you have to do.
Well, I think I've reached my limit. You know, you're stressed, I'm even more stressed. Don't even look for me for help. Ask someone else. I'm done.
You know what? You're fired!
Oops.
This guy's a good instructor. I appreciate it. Wow, I'm going to give a really big one so that...
So, as we were able to see throughout this video, the communication class that Raymond took in university put him well ahead of Cheryl. By being able to beautifully express his idea orally and in writing, Raymond was more respected by his colleague and boss. Also, unclear information stated by Cheryl throughout his career costed him many mistakes like insulting his boss. We have learned an important lesson during this course. Being an engineer is not only about knowing how to compute difficult mathematical formalities, but it is also about being able to clearly state our intention to the stakeholder to make the world a better place.